Taking a quick look at Jarvis Plus on the daily chart, got a nice pullback over here. We're looking for symmetric support. I'm looking at the history of this chart, looking for other pullbacks that are very similar in dollar amount. Going to start to use these pullbacks from that pivot high to pivot low, projecting to this new recent high. That'll be my first price relationship. Next, this pivot high to this pivot low, projecting to that new recent high. That's my second relationship. Next over one, this here, pivot high, pivot low, projecting to that new recent high. That's the third price relationship. Next, I can use my Fibonacci retracements, clicking from that pivot low to pivot high. If you're looking closely, we do have a 618 retracement that is in conjunction with the symmetric support work that we just did. So there may be some potential support right around that area. Let's jump down to an hourly chart, taking a quick look at price where it's trading in relation to that 200 moving average. It's slightly above that 200 moving average. You want to make sure it continues to establish a series of higher highs and higher lows above that 200 to confirm strength back to the upside. On the 15-minute time frame, we do have a trigger to go long where the A crossing the ends of 34 to the upside. Now what you can do, not financial advice, you want to make sure there's a little bit more strength above that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. This is still trading just slightly over a penny per token, so you can position size correctly, but you gotta set your stop below this pivot low. Now what exactly is Jarvis Plus? It's a multi-person, multi-chat conversation, bot-based NLP, got artificial intelligence in it, algorithmic engine. You guys can look this up on their website. I'm just more focused on the technical analysis. And you want to preferably position the size when it's not popular. Now when it's down around a penny, nobody's looking at this, it's not in the news, it's not trending. And when it's up in 50 cents or something, everyone's going to be wild and crazy about this. And that's not the time where you pick it up. You want to be picking these things up when it's boring, when nobody's looking at this. This is like the spring where it's boring, it's cold, but you gotta till that land, plant your seeds in the right time. So when it's harvest, when it's like 50 cents, 25 cents, you don't want to be sowing your seeds when it's harvest time. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.